Hello, this video is to show you how you can edit or add new pages or delete pages in your existing website. So we've created a website like this for you with a number of pages already in place. Our services, portfolio, meet the team, pricing and so on. But what if you haven't got a team or a portfolio or any services? You don't obviously want those pages to show on your website. So what this video will then take us through is how we actually delete those pages. Okay, so step-by-step process. So if we're on the landing page here, as the new website has just been created, if you come to the top left-hand side here, these are your admin buttons or links, and they take you into your admin system at the back, basically at the back of the website. So the best one is probably the dashboard icon there, though my sites and the cookie jar will pretty much take you to the same place. But if you click on dashboard, now I've never clicked into this back end before, so it's asking me for the first time, do I want to use easy mode or standard mode? Now, easy mode is very simple and straightforward if you're just going to edit your own website and not make any changes to it. But if you're going to do things like delete pages, add new pages, add shops, all that kind of thing to it, then you're really going to need standard mode. So if I click on standard mode now, it will take me into this. Now the important point to make is if you've already selected easy mode, or if you want to start on easy mode, that's not a problem at all, because if you look to the top right hand side here, I can easily switch between. I can activate easy mode by clicking like that, or I can exit easy mode to switch back to standard mode like that. So you might want to use easy mode the majority of the time and then just use standard mode when you're doing complicated things, but it's basically up to you. Anyway, the way to then delete the pages is if you look here at down the left hand side, your account, posts, media and so on, you've got one called pages. If you hover over that, you'll see two pop-ups come out, all pages and add new. What I want to do is go into all pages and click on that. And what we then listed here in a table is all the pages that we have in our website. Now we can go into each individual one and edit them if you wanted to by hovering over it there and clicking on Web Creator. But for the purposes of this video, we just want to delete one. So meet the team. We've got no team, we want to get rid of that. So hover over it and click trash like that, and it will then be deleted. What you can do is if you want to delete a number at once, you could click, so you want to get rid of my blog and our services. You could go up to the top here where it says bulk actions and move them all to trash. Let's do that. And they will go as well. Now, the only bit that's slightly complicated is the web pages have now deleted. So if we go and we have a look at the web page, we will see, rather confusingly, that they still seem to be there. The reason for that is though the web pages have deleted, the links are still there because the computer doesn't know that you wanted to get rid of the links as well and change your front page. So if I were to click Meet the Team, for instance, it isn't here anymore because it's been deleted, but the menu clicks still are. So the next bit we want to do is to get rid of those. So back to dashboard again, into here. What you then see is coming down the left hand side a little icon called appearance. If you hover over that and go down to where it says menus, what you will then see is this is a number of different menus. Now this is quite complicated for first users, so all we're going to do here is delete the ones that we don't want, but you can mess about with this when you get becoming a bit of an advanced user, add different menu items on and so on and so forth. But for now, we're just going to get rid of the ones we don't want. So meet the team, here it is. What that's saying is it is a sub-item of the About Us link at the top, which of course it is, because if you remember, you hover on About Us and it pops up down below. So we click on there, meet the team, don't want it anymore, click on Remove. Now don't forget, come down to the bottom right hand side here and click Save Menu. If then we go back and have another quick look, we'll then find is About Us, it's gone. Meet the Team has gone. So there are two stages to deleting a page. Now, creating a page is much simpler. So if we go back in to the dashboard again, it's literally a case of coming down to pages. Here it is, put add new. What do we want to call our page? I don't know. How about meet the team? We've changed our mind. We've just got a team now. Come into here, give it a title. You can either put some basic information in here, or much better is if you click on Web Creator, then it will take you straight into the Web Creator. Now, this is the first time we've used this, so it's asking me if I want to see a little tour. So for the purpose of this video, I don't. But what I do want to do is have a layout template. Now what this is doing is asking me, what do I want my page to look like when it's created? So do I want one of these layouts, or if I look at the top right hand side and click on content, do I want one of these? So there's a meet the team one as an example set out for you, but you can have whatever you want and you can change them accordingly. So why don't we have one that looks like that, with some nice little icons on it. What will then happen is it loads up like this, and as per the previous videos, we can then edit and change any bit of it. Hope that made sense. There's a whole portfolio of tutorial videos to give you extra information, but hopefully that's all fairly straightforward. When we've finished editing our page, we just click done, publish changes, and then we come back up to here again, it will be created. Thank you very much.